Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds or minutes. Then you can now walk in. Look at me here. All you just do is just spread your hand. Spread your hands. Then you move gradually. Don't rush. Look at what I am doing. Make some move. After some time, you do as if you bend yourself. Then you can now just walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, welcome to this tutorial. Just click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video now and locate volume, alright? Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Then you mark out an empty background, make a split here, delete that last part. Click on this one now and go and locate adjust, guys. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Click on adjust. Click on brightness. Reduce it to 50%. Then you locate highlight. Go and look for highlight, guys. Click on highlight here. Reduce it to 50%. Click on shadow now. You can make shadow 23 or 25. Then you mark that good now and go back. After your adjustment, mark that good and go back. This is how the video will look like. Then you come back now and click on that arrow. Click on overlay now, add overlay. Then you import this Mr. Man here, import it. Then click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good now. Then you go back. Then you click on splice. Click on splice, click on filter now, mark on this good now. Then you go back, alright? Then you can now adjust the video. Here you can see what I did. So after that, this is how the video is going to play, alright? So at this point, mark on that background, alright, so that will make it to be equal. So you click on it now, click on it, click on split, then you delete that last part, alright. So at this point now, look at how the video will look like. Then you come back and click on export. Export this one to your gallery. After that, you click on done now. Then you click on new project, import this your video again for the second time. Click on it, locate volume again, alright? Click on volume now, guys. Reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from. Immediately you throw your first leg. That is where we are here, this place. Click on it, make a split, delete that first part. Then at this point, we want to locate where we want the video to stop, alright? So allow it to play. Immediately you turn yourself here, click on it and make another split, delete this last part. So this is how the video is going to play now. Look at it, alright? After that, you want to click on this video now, then you want to expand it. That is if you like. This place is choice. After expanding it now, you take it up. So at the end now, you play it again. Look at how it's going to play. So at this point, we are going to be clicking on this plus here. Click on this plus, import this video you just exported. As you import it now, look at how it's going to be. Click on this demarcation here. Then you add this dissolve here. Then you click it and make it 100%. Look at how it is now. Click the video now. You want to adjust the character so that it will be equal with that human there, that effect. So this is how it's going to play. So at this point now, guys, this video is ready, alright? What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But there is another thing you need to understand here. Remember that dissolve animation you use is a pro features. Because of that, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. But don't worry, in one of my videos they have recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Watch the video, then you will learn and know how you will come and export this video to your gallery with ease. And after that, you now export this video to your gallery, okay? And don't forget, if you need that effect there, that human effect, that human human touch effect, just DM me, then I will send it to you, all right? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend you to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.